Paano kung ang pagko-content ay makakapagsira pala sa brand mo? When doing content, no, maraming business owners look at views, no? Pag maraming views, sinasabi nila, uy, maganda yung content natin.
Uy, sikat na tayo. Uy, dadami yung benta natin.
Pero what if I tell you na you can get 1,000,000 views pero still get 0 sales? And you can get only 1,000 views but get 1,000,000 in sales. Meaning, more views does not equal more sales. It's because not all views are the same. Now, let me explain. The content is the targeting. Kung ang content mo ay prank videos, dancing videos at mga viral trends, the algorithm will naturally show that video sa mga taong mahilig sa prank, mahilig magbenta, mahilig magbabad sa social media at mahilig sa entertainment. This is the reason kung bakit posibleng marami kang views pero hindi sila nako-convert into sales. Pero kung ang content mo is about education, about sa mga problem ng mga clients mo, the algorithm will also find the people na may problem, naghahanap ng solution at may intent bumili. Kaya lang ang problema, mas maraming views ang mga viral trends kaysa sa mga educational content. Kaya most people make the mistake of creating more contents about viral trends kasi daw maraming views. Pero pag itong ginagawa mo, nagsasayang ka lang ng oras. Huwag ka na lang magnegosyo, mag-entertainer ka na lang. So stop creating content para lang sumikat. Create content that will increase the desire of your clients who want to work with you. Kasi ang goal naman ng negosyo is kumita, hindi magpasikat.